Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new, hello. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be doing a video that's been requested so many times, and it's going to be how to start a successful YouTube channel, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to gain subscribers, and more. So without further ado, let's just get on with this video. So I'm going to be actually putting all the tips I'm going to be reading off of my phone, because I have 10 tips I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Wait, I actually think there's 10, okay. So I'm basically going to be going over them right now. Putting tags helps you get an advantage on the home page, or it just helps your video get out there a little bit more. Sometimes I put tags on my videos, well actually all the time I put tags on my videos, and I put that just so that it helps me get more views, helps me get on the homepage a little bit more, and gets more recognition on that video. So I recommend putting tags on some of your videos. Okay, make the video related to the season. This is like a thing that I really am confident about. Let me put the lights. Okay, so make the video related to the season, and what I mean by that is that if you have a video in, let's do summer, if you have a video during summer, don't title it morning routine, title it summer morning routine, because people are trying to search up videos related to that season. So if it's around Christmas time, you want a Christmas morning routine, not a morning routine, because people are looking for videos related to Christmas. So your video is just going to get more views that way. It's going to get recognized more. So I recommend doing that. Don't promote your channel on other people's pages. I used to do this, like, I would say maybe a month or two ago, and I'm gonna just tell you guys, you're gonna get hate for it. So if you don't know how to handle hate, or if you don't know how to handle trolls, then it's not a good idea. People work extremely hard for them to see in their comment section the exact same copy and pasted comment that they saw on another page of someone else, or that they saw in another page on another one of their videos. Just don't do it, especially if they're like just any YouTuber in general. They work really hard on their videos for them to get a copy and paste comment from somebody who just wants to gain from them. So please don't do it, guys. I know there's going to be people that are going to be doing it. That's why I'm going to be removing those comments, because I want you guys to grow, but I don't want you guys to use me. So as with the video, watch this if you're a small YouTuber. That video is personally for small YouTubers. But any other videos that I have, those videos aren't really for small YouTubers. You know what I mean? So please just don't do it. You know, it kind of makes the creator a little bit, you know, but yeah, don't do it. Making YouTube friends is like honestly the best thing that I've ever done. I used to have like 3 close YouTube friends and stuff like that, but I feel as if you only need really 1 or 2 YouTube friends. You don't need a whole pouch of them, because I remember I had a whole entire group of YouTube friends. It didn't work at all, because some of us connected more, some of us didn't, some of us argued, and when we argued, we all argued. So what I recommend is just having 1 or 2 friends. I actually have, well, you guys already know this, but my friend Nicole, I met her actually on a live, and I'm so happy that I ever met her. I love her videos. We get along so well. We're like literal best friends. So I recommend making YouTube friends, and she's not even my YouTube friend. She's like my best friend, and I want to meet her one day. So I would just recommend making YouTube friends. It makes the experience a little bit better, and also on top of that, it's easier to grow. They can help you, they can give you tips and stuff like that. So I recommend doing that to starting a successful channel, because they help you so much. Be you, don't try too hard on editing. I see people that edit like every 2 seconds. They do a zoom in, then they do, it's so annoying, they do like 500 zoom ins at the same time, and it gets to the point where it's just like, just edit that part out. Because I was watching a video by this person, I'm not gonna say who, but it's from someone that I used to watch a couple years ago, and they changed their editing from like 2015 to all this freaking editing as like a zoom in every 4 seconds, and I'm like, I get it, you want to be funny, but at the same time, people do not want to watch you if you try too hard on editing. So don't try to put in tons of zoom ins within like, don't put in like 100 zoom ins within like 1 second. Just put a little bit in, make it natural, but at the same time funny if you're trying to go for that. Don't make it so try hard, because it gives a vibe of like a try hard. So I would recommend not adding in too much of those zoom ins and stuff like that. go live if you can't upload. I used to go live, but unfortunately my phone, like the microphone thingy, goes in and out. But if it didn't do that, I would still be going live probably like once a week. Going live when you can't upload is really good because you get to interact with a lot of your following, and it just helps because you can tell them when you're getting a video out and they can see you raw without any editing or cutting out clips. So that's why I love going live, because people can see me raw, live. Don't tell what you're doing, show what you're doing. So if you're going and walking your dog, go ahead and show you walking your dog. Or I know sometimes I do this sometimes, but one time in my other video, I didn't say, okay, so me and Nicole are gonna be doing the alphabet. No, we did the alphabet and I showed myself doing the alphabet with her. But I just find it a little bit more interesting, especially with vlogs, that if you show what you're doing, it's more interesting than when you're telling what you're doing. People want to know what you're doing. So if you show what you're doing, they're going to be a little bit more interested in your video rather than when you just tell what you're doing. You know what I mean? I know sometimes you can't, but try to do it as much as possible within each video of yours. Quality over quantity. Guys, don't put a video out and be like, okay, so I really need to put a video out. I need to put one up like right now. I don't have enough time. I have to just rush on with the editing and stuff like that. Take your time, guys. I know in YouTube you're gonna get discouraged a lot, and that's what happened with me. That's why I took basically a month break from showing my face, and that's because I really got discouraged and stuff like that. And I got encouraged because of all the sweet comments, so that's why I got encouraged again, because of you guys' sweet comments. Just don't feel like you're forced to upload a video or feel like you're forced to put a video out there. Put a video out there if it's good quality and if you feel 110% okay with it. There's going to be videos that you're like, that video is definitely not my best video, but put in the effort that you would like to put into it. Even if your subscribers are going to have to wait a little bit longer, rather wait a little bit longer, have the best quality you can get, and not feel guilty for bad quality or bad editing or anything like that. So I recommend going ahead and doing quality over quantity. Good thumbnails, you can make them with YouTube Studio. No, you can make them with Fonto, and you can upload them with YouTube Studio. And what I recommend, guys, is the color pink. Oh my god, y'all, I'm not even joking with you. Whenever I see pink thumbnails, they just tend to get more views. I think pink is more appealing to the eye because every single time that I see someone do a pink thumbnail, they get more views on the video, more likes and stuff like that. So I feel like pink is really appealing to people's eyes. So putting pink lettering into a thumbnail would really help. You know, just putting pink, I don't know why, I really don't know why, but I just feel like it does, because I was watching a video with someone, they didn't have a pink thumbnail, it didn't get as much views. They had a pink thumbnail, got more views. I'm currently in a blue stage right now, but soon I'm gonna go to the pinks and stuff like that. But again, it helps you get views. So make sure you have the app YouTube Tracker. It literally tells you how much watch hours you get and how close you are to being monetized. I recommend it a lot. It's a good app. It's really easy to use as well, so I just recommend getting it because it tells you how much you are away from 4,000 watch hours and how much you're away from 1,000 subscribers. So I really recommend it a lot. It's super helpful, and it's just a great app, and I use it all the time to check how much watch hours I am currently from. And yeah, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. If you want a video on how I edit my thumbnails, how I edit my YouTube videos, that will come up soon, but those videos are probably going to take me a really long time to film and edit. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and these are just some of my tips on how to start a successful channel, how to grow your channel, and it's just a really organic and healthy way to grow your channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye!
There they go, hey, moving on and blow, hey, sunny day, hey. Even if the sun